Sound check 1 2. Sound check 1. Evening, everybody. Okay, come on, let's have a quick weekly outlook. Okay, first of all, is going to be the start of the month. Expecting, I think there is a NFP as well. Okay, so let's start off from the economic calendar right here. So from the economic calendar, as we can see on the Monday itself, we have a couple of bank holidays for New Zealand dollar, the Chinese yen, and the euro, and of course night we have the PMI. After that, later in the morning of Tuesday, which is the early morning of Tuesday, 1 a.m. from GMT plus 8, there is Mr. Powell speaking. We also have Swiss franc CPI, and tentatively we also have the Japanese yen uh, BOJ speaking. Okay, so and on the night we have jobs opening. Wednesday, I think there is, yes, ADP for the night, Canadian overnight rate as well, and also we have the PMI. So quite a bunch of, apart from Monday, quite a bunch of volume within these 3 days. For Thursday, we have pre-NFP day. Try to avoid it or risk lesser. And also, we on the Friday itself we have this NFP and unemployment rate. So I hope everyone is clear on this. Let me share with the team. A bunch of bright forget-me-nots was all I'd let you buy me. Okay, moving on next. Let me do this half so I can share easily. Once upon a summertime, if you recall, we stopped. Okay, moving on next, we have this dollar index. There is quite a few things I would like to emphasize. My bias is actually shorting on short on the XY. The reason being we have this 4-hour fair value area tap and then continue lower, but also we have this major draw liquidity taken out. This is the bullish bias taken out. Then another thing is we have the weekly fair value gap right here, sting in and rejected off with a 4-hour fair value area. Okay, so from this point of view, there is two particular high that are required to be observed. Either it to be going on the higher side or the lower side. Right here, and right here, and also right here. Okay, if this low holds, this swing low holds as well, it should go continue upwards, continue higher. If after breaking this high, at least minimally at this high, at least this high, then eventually the highs above it. Okay, so we have this strong liquidity low remaining untapped, which is the swing low as well. So potentially the price could just continue lower off until this draw liquidity. So let me give the brief summary. Okay, but my bias is going to be neutral because I will like to be more cautious on taking trades for the week because it's a big week, and if I do so, I do risk lesser than as usual as well. So my bias is neutral. The reason being because we have this monthly fair market right here, tap and rejected off. If you say so, I can also argue there is a bullish momentum right here after sweeping off the first leg of the market maker buy model, then coming to a sell model, taking out a major draw liquidity but these low holds, and then continue pumping upwards. I do believe there is a potential of the upside as well from this point of view. Okay, so we have the sell curve and the expansion of the buy curve just getting started. As usual, what you see from here is happening at here as well. Sweep the low and just continuing pumping higher. Okay, so yeah, that's my thoughts. There is the bullish arguments and the bearish ones. So moving on next on gold. Okay, so let's start from the monthly time frame. So on the monthly time frame, we have this all-time high and previous month high, previous month low, and also the month before it. So all these months, I would say is from the this one is previous month high, previous month low, and this will be the liquidity. So the price decided to close indecisively, which means the price didn't pump and taken out any liquidity from the monthly time frame, where however the price just stopped here, but something interesting could be happen. The reason being is there is a weekly fair market right here where price respected a weekly fair market respected and rejection. So let's see on the daily time frame. Apart from the weekly fair value gap, right, we do have further confirmation right here. Okay, we do have a further confirmation right here as the daily fair value gap. So after this daily fair value gap, where will be the next target? The next target will be here and here. Okay, obviously the price is pointing towards the upside, and also it's not just a normal daily fair value gap, but it's also a BPR as well. So from the 4-hour time frame, do we get further confirmation? Yes, we do. We have a 4-hour fair value area overlapping right here. So regarding this, because of the current price action, we have these crucial highs and crucial lows in a range. Okay, so either side to be breakout or sweep and going towards the right direction, I wouldn't be surprised as well. Okay, right here. So there is a dilemma of the sell side liquidity and the buy side liquidity. Right here as Okay, so my bias is going to be neutral, but if guns to my head asking me, is there any direction that you prefer or your bias? I would say the bullish side is much more the bullish side argument is much more stronger compared to the bearish ones. Okay, so let me make a summary first. Yes, neutral. Okay, this is my take. So I will be neutral, but personal bias is going to be bullish more than the bearish side. The reason being, the money closed indecisively. Okay, we can see from here this high and this low. So what do I see from a slightly lower time frame, which is the weekly fair value gap is respected with a proper daily BPR right here, the bearish one and the bullish ones. So after the of the daily fair value gap, there is the respecting for our fair value area right here. Okay, so the 4-hour fair value area tapped, and but for the 1-hour time frame, we have an obvious range of liquidity to be taken care of. Yes, correct. There is a obvious buy side and sell side liquidity to be taken off. It has to be confirmed before deciding its directions. Okay, this will be my take, and that is going to be all for moving on next. Being neutral. Okay, let's do this. On the two sides, this one will be the EU and GU. So from the monthly time frame again, okay, there is so much potential on the upside. So from this point of view, we can see this monthly drawn liquidity, the pounds has a obvious stronger momentum compared to EU regarding bullish. The reason being is the euro has um, sweep the monthly drawn liquidity, but the pound did not sweep it. Okay, so moving on next, where will it be targeting? Potentially until towards the upside.
'Cause keeping you close shouldn't be hard if you were honest when you said you missed me. You've played with my pride, making me feel like we had something real, and making you stay shouldn't feel wrong. This is the last time I'll ask you to listen. I've played all my cards. Would you feel a thing if you saw me right now? No matter what I say to you, you're gone. I've been trying in vain to hold on. No matter what I say, keeping you close shouldn't be hard if you were honest when you said you missed me. You've played with my pride, making me feel like we had something real, and making you stay shouldn't feel wrong. This is the last time I'll ask you to listen. I've played all my cards. Would you feel a thing if you saw me right now?
Guys, give me a second to have deep thoughts on analyzing.
I've been coping all these nights, can never seem to get it right. So you never left from my side. Your friends are saying it's not working, but in your side it's perfect. In my mind I know that they're right. You've been taking all my bullshit while I sit around and make excuses. Why did I always have to push you away? But most days I relied on the space you waited patiently. I couldn't do the same. Please know I did all I can, and your suffering was not in the plan. You deserve a man who can't lose. Can't forget I put you through. I put you out in the rain. You said no one's to blame. Try to wipe all the droplets away, but I see the dread in your eyes while you're telling me lies. All the tears were just rain on your face. You're too good to me, my baby, I know. But tell me just why you can't find someone new, someone better for you. So take back your time. I never should have had it anyway. is finally coming back to life. And maybe then you'll finally realize I'm the wrong person and wrong time. I never could seem to breathe at the right time, the person you need. You deserve a man who can lose, one who doesn't put you through. I put you out in the rain, you said no one's to blame. Try to wipe all the droplets away, but I see the dread in your eyes while you're telling me lies, while the tears were just rain on your face. You're too good to me, my baby, I know. But tell me just why you can't find someone new, someone better for you. I'm sorry I can't be the one you need. I put you out in the rain, you said no one's to blame, and you dried all your droplets away. Now I see the glow in your eyes while you cling to his side, and I watch as my half fades to gray. I'm so damn proud of you, baby, please know. Don't worry about me when you have someone new, someone better for you. 'Cause you deserve a man who can lose. Ooh, yeah. 알 것 같은데 난 또 모른 척해 망가진 기분에 날씨도 뻔한데 어떻게 해야 되나 혼자서는 버틸 수 없는 거리 정적 속에 너와의 추억이 가끔씩 비가 올 때마다 욱신거리네 우리의 실수도 이미에 씻기길 될 일이 아닌 듯이 구름같이 되돌이도 그칠 거야 비가 오듯 우리들도 진심들을 쏟아내면 언제 그랬냐는 듯이 어쩌면 날이 올 거야 비가 오듯 우리들도 진심들을 쏟아내면 언제 그랬냐는 듯이 어쩌면 날이 올 거야 가끔 우린 노력기만 해 쉽게 풀어질 문제에도 멀어질 두려움에 하고 싶은 말도 하지 못한 채 소리 없이 우릴 지치게 해 I want more of your love 그저 안아주길 바라는 어린아이가 돼 서로가 바라던 거 이게 아닌데 I fell in love with you all day
Okay, so in summary, on the euro and the pounds, right? Okay, my bias is bullish. The reason being is like everything is pointing after taking out the monthly drawn liquidity, then price just pump and pump and pump. Okay, so comparing the euro and the pounds, which one I would love to long the most is the pounds. Okay, the reason being is because the pounds has more stronger comparing to the euro. The reason being is because the previous weekly low. Okay, The reason being is the price on the monthly time frame. Okay, as you can see on the euro, you can see the price just sweep the monthly drawn liquidity, whereby the pounds did not sweep the monthly drawn liquidity. So this is the points where the monthly time frame have a SMT and make the price just pump all the way up. And there is the nearest drawn liquidity, monthly drawn liquidity, and also the extremes one. So regarding this, I will leave my POI levels at these two levels, which I prefer to long off. Other than that, the most likely is going to be is going to be takes a while. There should be somewhere around here to continue long off, because currently where the price at right now is also a potential sell curve occurring probably until here and continue upwards again. Then we're going to have a very nice RR. Otherwise, this monthly fair value gap will be tapped, and we will see this will be the next protected low. Other than that, nothing much. Okay, moving on next. Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar. So, as usual, let's start from the temporary result. So on the monthly time frame, let's mark out the front candle high. The price did sweep and then down. New Zealand dollar, I think, is so much stronger.
be catching fire pretty soon. Just tell me when you're giving in. Say the words, then we'll begin. You don't need to. You don't need to. I'll set the mood. Ooh, love. Am I asking too much? Too much of your time and attention. Just want your affection. In the sign of the times, you give me peace of mind. Everything is out of sight when you're by my side. You know you're my favorite view. 'Cause in this world we're living in, where everyone wants everything, but all I want is you. Oh, nothing but you, love. Am I asking too much? Too much of your time and attention. Just want your affection. Ooh, love. Am I asking too much? Is it too much? Too much of your time and attention. Just want your affection.
Okay, so in a summary, I would like to stop the analysis from here. The reason being is um, both setup looks alike, and both did not have any SMT before pumping higher. But what I can see is both of it something in common is we have the monthly drawn equity, and also we have the previous monthly high and previous monthly low. Okay, and it is also ranging, whereby the price could after taking out this buy side liquidity, then continuing towards the sell side liquidity as the drawn liquidity, sweeping it off and continuing higher. If we get any confirmation right here, we might take a trade to continuing higher. Okay, this is going to be all of my major sharings, and okay, basically that will be all. Let me have a quick look on the crypto. Okay, Ethereum I think doing pretty well. Okay, equity sweep. Okay, we have this spot sweep, and I think it's a previous week sweep potential towards the upside, but there is a weekly fair value gap right here. Monthly wise, it looks like the monthly candle has started open low, continuation, continue towards the upside. It could be favorable. Hopefully we see some next round liquidity target right here.
All my songs are all about you and the things that we do.
Might be about 4100 right here. The first resistance have to pass through is this side first. Next Bitcoin. Potential upside or a downside until this range or this range. Solana. Okay, the daily order block, very nice. Our previous weekly low, potential PPR towards the upside. Hope this holds. Continue long. Because 1900, 90, and hopefully we see this. The next one, 295. Continuing higher. 88. Nice, yes. Looking the same thing. Potential upside. So next index, okay, there is a potential upside momentum going right now. Order block right here. Potential towards the upside. Hopefully we see some good numbers. At least 40 plus. Taking out these subside liquidity. This buy side liquidity. Sweet. Very nice one. Sweep. Taking off. Potential towards the upside. Potentially another $5. TRX. Basically a price just respecting the buy, the sell curve. There is no much of momentum after this 40-cent sell, 44-cent sell. Looking forward to it the upside as well, because literally nothing resists in here. It's just the major dumps event. I will take note of this area of liquidity. Let me see. I would say this at least. If not, we're going to get quite screwed if the price break off this low and these lows as well. Okay, basically that will be all. Just a brief summary. Love to see everyone trading safe for the coming week because it's an FB. Just a reminder, and I hope to see you guys again. Bye.